Start by attaching the pan motor to your tripod. After securing the pan motor by rotating it, press the lock button while giving it an additional turn to make sure it is tightened properly. When turning it in the opposite direction, ensure it doesn't loosen from the bottom. Place the JibPLUS body onto the screw on the pan motor and tighten the connection by hand. Loosen the length adjustment screws on the jib and fully extend the jib by pulling from the front. Tighten the length adjustment screws again. Connect one end of the cable to the jib motor and the other end to the pan motor. You can attach the cable to the cable holders on the body, ensuring it stays neat. At this stage, keep in mind that the jib setup is unbalanced and is back heavy. Now attach the head plus to the front without the camera to make the system front heavy. Attach the counterweight to the body as shown to make the system back heavy again. Now you can attach your camera and other accessories to the head plus, making the front heavy again. Now we can connect the batteries to the JibPLUS and proceed with the final balancing. By pulling the pin outward, unlock the JibPLUS. Release and check the balance. To start the balance adjustment, first loosen the counterweight locking screw by about 1 turn. Slide the counterweight back and forth until you achieve a good balance. Then tighten the locking screw again. To check if the head plus is level, rotate it. If it's not balanced, loosen the jib length adjustment. Adjust it until it is perfectly level. And then tighten the length adjustment screw. Check the balance in the other direction as well. If you notice any imbalance, loosen the tilt adjustment, bring it to balance, and then tighten the tilt adjustment again. Perform one final balance check. There should be no movement when you let go. If you notice any movement, we recommend making a very fine adjustment for the final balance. JibPLUS is now ready for shooting. If you want to mount the head plus upside down, you can rotate the connection as shown to position it upside down. Don't forget to check the level after mounting it upside down. Using the power module, you can power the entire system with a single battery. For the power cable going to the jib, you can use the available holders for better cable management. For the power cable going forward, you can use the Velcro straps that come with the power module.